Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of goddess Tiamat, renowned as the Mesopotamian goddess of chaos, creation, and the ever-changing nature of existence. Part 1. Significance of Goddess Tiamat. What does Tiamat represent in mythology? Goddess Tiamat is a Mesopotamian deity who embodies primordial chaos and the vast cosmic ocean. As the progenitor of all creation, she gave birth to the gods and goddesses who shaped the world. Tiamat represents the eternal cycle of creation and destruction, emphasizing the balance between chaos and order. Depicted as a powerful dragon or serpent, she symbolizes primal power and serves as a symbol of feminine strength and the primordial mother archetype. Tiamat's story highlights the struggle between masculine and feminine forces, portraying the need for equilibrium. In contemporary interpretations, Tiamat encourages individuals to embrace their inner chaos, transforming it into personal power and growth, reminding us of the duality and complexity of existence. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Tiamat, the primal fury and creative chaos. Goddess Tiamat embodies a multitude of archetypal traits that resonate throughout myth and legend. As the personification of primordial chaos and the cosmic ocean, she exudes raw power, fierce determination, and untamed creativity. Tiamat's archetypal essence symbolizes the primal forces that give birth to new worlds, encompassing the duality of creation and destruction. Her embodiment of the wild and unpredictable aspects of existence serves as a reminder of the transformative potential found within chaos. Tiamat's archetype embodies the unyielding spirit of the feminine divine, empowering individuals to embrace their own primal nature and harness the creative energies that lie within. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Tiamat. Delving into the depths, symbols and colors of the cosmic goddess, Tiamat. Tiamat is often symbolized as a great dragon or serpent, embodying primordial power and chaos. The colors associated with her are typically deep blues and dark greens, symbolizing the vastness of the cosmic ocean and the depths of her primordial realm. As a dragon deity, Tiamat is linked to serpents, symbolizing wisdom, transformation, and the primal forces of nature. In terms of plants, the sacred cypress tree is often associated with her, representing resilience, longevity, and the connection between the earthly and spiritual realms. These symbols, colors, animals, and plants collectively evoke the primal and mysterious nature of Tiamat, and serve as reminders of her role as the primal chaos and creator of all existence. Part 4. The story of Goddess Tiamat. The epic struggle. Tiamat's battle to preserve the natural balance of existence. Once in the depths of the cosmic ocean, there existed a powerful and ancient deity known as Goddess Tiamat. She was the embodiment of primordial chaos, a force of creation and destruction that held the universe in balance. With scales shimmering like moonlit waters and eyes that gleamed with ancient wisdom, Tiamat ruled over the depths, the unseen, and the mysteries of existence. In the dawn of time, Tiamat gave birth to the gods and goddesses, the very architects of creation. She nurtured them with her boundless love and guided them with her innate wisdom. The universe flourished under her watchful eye, teeming with life and divine order. But as the eons passed, discord began to stir within the divine realm. The younger gods, consumed by their thirst for power, sought to impose their own order upon the cosmos. They turned against Tiamat, seeing her as a symbol of chaos that needed to be contained. Undeterred by their rebellion, Tiamat fiercely defended her dominion. She summoned great tempests, unleashed waves of primordial energy, and unleashed her dragon form in a battle to preserve the natural balance. The clash was cataclysmic, as chaos clashed with order in an epic struggle. In the end, Tiamat's forces were overpowered, and she was struck down by the spear of the god Marduk. As she fell, her essence scattered across the universe, birthing new realms and dimensions. Tiamat's body transformed into the very fabric of existence, permeating the cosmos with her divine presence. Though defeated, Tiamat's legacy endured. Her sacrifice became a catalyst for the eternal cycle of creation and destruction, a reminder that chaos is an inherent part of the cosmic order. Her spirit became a guiding force, inspiring beings across time and space to embrace their own wild nature and find harmony within the swirling currents of existence. To this day, Tiamat's influence lingers, weaving through the tapestry of life. She whispers in the winds, stirs the depths of the oceans, and sparks the creative fires within the souls of those who dare to embrace the untamed forces of chaos. For those who seek her, she remains a beacon of primal power, reminding them to honor the divine within themselves and to dance fearlessly amidst the ever-changing rhythms of the cosmos. Part 5. 3 Strategies for Personal Transformation, tapping into the power of the Tiamat archetype. Strategy 1. Embracing the power of chaos. Recognize that within chaos lies the potential for new beginnings and creative breakthroughs. Engage in practices such as free writing, improvisation, or spontaneous artistic expression to tap into the unstructured realms of your mind. Quantum physics theories suggest that chaos and uncertainty are fundamental aspects of reality. So by embracing chaos, you align yourself with the inherent creative potential of the universe. Strategy 2. Cultivating cosmic connection. Engage in practices that foster a sense of cosmic connection and expand your awareness beyond the individual self. This could involve stargazing, meditation on the vastness of the universe, or rituals that honor celestial cycles. Strategy 3. Embodying resilience and adaptability. Take inspiration from Tiamat's embodiment of chaos and transformation to cultivate resilience and adaptability in the face of challenges. Embrace the concept of bending like a reed to flow with life's changes rather than resisting them. Understand that change is inevitable, and by developing neural pathways for adaptability through practices like mindfulness and cognitive flexibility, you can navigate uncertainty with greater ease. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual. Steps. 1. Find a quiet and secluded space where you can perform the ritual undisturbed, preferably near a body of water or a representation of water, such as a bowl or basin. 2. Set up an altar or a sacred space adorned with items that symbolize Tiamat's qualities. This could include representations of dragons or serpents, blue or green cloth, seashells, or images that evoke the vastness of the cosmic ocean. 3. Light candles or incense to create an atmosphere of reverence and spirituality. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself and connect with the energy of Tiamat. 4. Begin by reciting an invocation to Goddess Tiamat, expressing your reverence and invoking her presence. You can use your own words or adapt a traditional Mesopotamian prayer to suit your intentions. Speak from the depths of your heart, summoning the primordial power of Tiamat. 5. Take a moment to reflect on the archetypal qualities of Tiamat, her power, chaos, and creativity. Contemplate how these aspects resonate within your own life and the transformative potential they hold. 6. Engage in a meditative practice, allowing yourself to connect deeply with Tiamat's energy. State your personal intention for the ritual. It could be a desire for creative inspiration, the courage to embrace chaos, or a request for Tiamat's guidance in navigating transformative times. 7. Take a moment to sit in silence, absorbing the energy of the ritual and integrating its significance into your being. A final message. Words of wisdom from Tiamat. Chaos is the canvas upon which creation paints its masterpiece. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.